This is a blood smear taken from a chick. So from the low power magnification, you can already see that the majority of the cells, which is of course your RBC, is already darkly staining. So if you increase the magnification, we can now confirm the presence of the nuclei in your RBC. So if we use 400x magnification, we can better appreciate the avian or chick RBC here. So these are your RBC. And because this slide preparation is already very old, you can see here cells that are faintly staining and have lost their blue staining. So as such, we can say that these may be your white blood cells, but they are very difficult to differentiate from one another because we cannot describe their nuclei nor their granules anymore. But at least using this slide, we can still appreciate the nucleated version of the RBC of your chick.